is so cold, y'all. Like, fuck. At least for us, it's like, you know. Let's see if the E85 gives it a. Let's see if the E85 cold start gives us problems. Nah, right up, champ. Shit, got to put that seaworm on your family, dog. Anyway, so today I'm installing, but I'm taking my car to get installed. That to get the GREDDY carbon fiber lip installed, which I am so fucking excited for. Long time overdue. Shout out to the homie Aaron for looking out on me with that lip. It's a little cracked, but fuck it, I think it's gonna make the car look way better. Like, the car already has dope wheels. It has a chrome daily. It has dark ass tinted windows, of course. It's lowered. It looks beautiful. It has a different grill, but the grill, like, it pops out too much to, like, yeah, like that shit just pop out too much, and it kind of need like that. It needs that grill to kind of give it that little that it needs. You know what I mean? So we're about to take this shit to Morales Customs because I didn't want to take off my bumper, drilling that shit. I've never drilled anything, you know what I mean? I'm not good with fabrication shit like that, so I might as well just pay somebody. And they gave me a pretty good deal. Couldn't pass up on it. So simple, should be there in a couple minutes. It's cold, let the car warm up, and I pick this shit up when we at the shop, and hopefully it's dope to, like, you know what I mean? It's dope to record over there, so I'll pick it up later. And see, this is the lip. It got a little damage. It do. Nope, not gonna cap right there. But it was free, so it's a little crack right here. It's not that serious, though. It's not that top, so let me wipe this shit down. Let me wipe it down and then put it inside the whip. You know, I'm excited to put it on. So now it looks like we at the right location, buddy. Alright. Yeah, it's kind of sketchy over here on this street. Got the chota, got the ops. Oh yeah. Anyways, looks like we at the right spot now. Oh yeah. Sheesh. Let me go see what's up. I'll be back. That makes the biggest difference. Shout out Morales Customs. Damn, that makes the. Now I need some side skirts and a diffuser. random meat I found. Let's see how it is, man. Hopefully the scene is dope out here. Hopefully there's more SIs out here. I feel like there probably is. You know, like Orange County, like they got like the. It's too close, huh? In Orange County, they got like a certain scene. LA got a certain scene. IE got a certain scene. So we'll see what it is out here, you know? What you think we'll take? 12 bucks. Nah, more like 12 bucks. 12 bucks. It has to be 12 bucks. It's cheap right now, dude. Everyone in California is $1.99.
It's about to stop.
Hey, point at me. I filled up in Orange County, right? In Anaheim. And I went back home to LA. And from LA, I went down to San Diego. And half a fucking tank, dude. On E85. Doing pools. Crazy. But anyways, so we made it to the car meet in San Diego. So we're gonna do like a little walk around, you know, see what we get into. I kind of like Gladys recording time, you know. Like I like that vibe, you know. It was doper than me holding the camera, but yeah, let's go see what's up. You feel me?